Hello guys, I'll be presenting the freedom of assembly as one of the purpose of people with common concern to assemble themselves. Freedom of assembly connotes the right of the people to meet peaceably for consultation and discussion of matters of public concern. It is entitled to be accorded the utmost deference and respect. It is not to be limited, much less denied, except on a showing, as is the case with freedom of expression. So, this is about the freedom of the people to peaceably assemble for purpose of discussion of matters of public concerns. Then the other one, it was not by accident. It was not by accident or coincidence that the rights to freedom of speech and of the press were coupled in a single people peaceably to assemble and to petition to the government for shall we say redress of grievances. All these rights, while not identical, are inseparable. So, they cannot be separated, the freedom of speech and the freedom of the people to assemble peaceably. So, these are the concern of our discussion this day. I hope it can give enlightenment to those who were wondering why people gather together for a common purpose or airing their concerns without hesitation, because they have the so-called freedom of speech and the freedom of the press and the freedom to peaceably assemble. Thank you.